The Charleston Design Review Board is considering a demolition request for a former U.S. Department of Agriculture lab. The property on Savannah Highway in West Ashley was acquired by Clemson University in 2019. Jessie Klinger spoke with historians opposed to the request. She joins us now with their concerns. Jessie?
Bill, the building at 2875 Savannah Highway was built in 1936 and served as the site of significant research following World War I. Today, it's home to Clemson University's Coastal Research and Education Center, where agricultural research continues. It's unclear what Clemson plans to do if the site demolition is approved, but the Historic Charleston Foundation says the building is worth preserving.
Many of us drive on Savannah Highway and we see the building all the time. It's interesting. It's an interesting part of our history. And I think there's an opportunity to educate the public more about what happened at this building and the role that it played in the entire Southeast in the farming industry.
The former U.S. Department of Agriculture lab was deemed for listing in the National Register of Historic Places in 2015.
It was actually the first of 9 research centers set up in 1935 by Congress to research different varieties of crops to help after the war.
Responsible for a variety of crops still grown today.
Tomatoes, watermelon, cabbage that were developed at this site as part of this research facility. And they were bred to be more resilient, to sustain climate change, to be drought hardy. And that's what this building represents, is progress and research and history. And it's agricultural, so that's unique and very important to Charleston and what we are.
According to the application for demolition, the building hasn't been used in the past 20 years, and there's no clear plan to use it if it were to be restored. The Historic Charleston Foundation claims the university let the lab fall into disrepair.
15 years ago, the building was used to host research teams and scholars and scientists, and then with the purchase, Clemson has not kept up the maintenance of the building,
saying it's a prime candidate for adaptive reuse.
We would like to see the building restored to its original beauty and use, and if it can't be used for a laboratory, we do believe that it can be used to tell the story of what happened on the site and talk about the history of agriculture in Charleston and how important it is.
We reached out to Clemson University for comment on the demolition request and future plans for the property, but have not yet heard back. The Charleston Design Review Board is set to hear the matter on Monday, January 5th. The public meeting is scheduled for 4:30 p.m. Working for you, Jessie Klinger, News 4.